Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how you can easily add this scrolling logo banner to your Shopify store. Before I start, just a few words why probably half of websites on the internet have such banners with logos. The answer is simple, because trust is conversions. Clients need to feel confident in your brand before they click the Add to Cart button. And one of the simplest and most effective ways to add credibility to your website is by adding such banner with logos of your clients, your partners, or maybe you have some press mentions and you can highlight it on your website. It works pretty well, simple thing but really effective. Okay, let's continue. I will show you how to quickly add such banner to your Shopify store. We will use Fab Scrolling Logo Showcase app from Shopify App Store. I will add the direct link to the description of such video. You will find it below. Press install button and go to admin panel of the app. On the first step, we need to press activate button to activate the apps widget, so the banner will be visible after our setup on our website. I click activate and redirect to the store. Here I just need to press save button. Widget was activated and I go back to dashboard. I see the status that widget was activated, and you need to press create new banner button. I have my previously created ones, but let me show how to create the new. We have a pop-up window. On the left side are our settings. On the right we see the preview and preview of the mobile version. I can select the name of the banner for internal use. I can choose static style or trendy marquee. In my example, I will use banner with animation. It better catch the eye. Here we can change the speed of the animation. Okay, and let's upload our logos instead of the placeholders. I can delete and add new ones, or press edit logo and re-upload mine. Let's quickly upload our logos. I will use press logos for creating a scene on banner. Let's quickly upload all the logos the same way. Press save. On the right I see the preview and I'm uploading more logos. I will have the 5 logos. And the last one. Great. Here we can change our title and optionally add subtitle. I will use as seen on. In my case, I will not use subtitle. I can also change the position of the title. I will use the classic one on the top. I will save my changes and go to the style settings. Here I can change the background color, edit paddings and a lot of other style settings to match your brand style. I can also change the sizes of the logos. In my case, everything works well, so I just left the default settings. And it's a time to add our logo banner to the store. I saved changes, so I see here my unique code of banner ID. I click here to copy it and can press go to theme editor button to redirect to my store. My section with the app was automatically added. I press close, choose Fab logo banner widget and paste here my copied previously code. Then I press save button, and here I see my banner. I want to align it on the center of the page, so I select section, and here I have settings like alignment to the center. These settings are unique for each theme, so in some themes you don't need to change something, it will be automatically aligned on the center. And you can move this section to the other places on your page, move to the top. Usually such logo banner is placed at the top after hero image. And also you can place in the same way such banner on other pages, so you can select another page and add it there. Also, you have a flexibility to create multiple banners if you choose to show different logos. Okay, this is it. It was pretty quick and simple. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorials. Bye bye.